I'm here to talk about our app. It gives you unlimited streaming of all our videos, and we make sure there are no ads, no funny links, and no suggested videos. Head to app.cosmickids.com. Pick a monthly or an annual subscription, and then you get a 2-week free trial to see if you like it. Yoga Club. Hello and welcome to Yoga Club. It's Jaime here. It's time to shake off all the excitement and energy with our day, with our after school special. Before we do though, let's take a few moments to say some hellos and do a few shout outs. Hello to Teddy, who only a few weeks ago turned 6. Happy birthday, Teddy. A big fan of the Minecraft yoga, I hear, and is very keen for another. Well, thank you, Teddy. I'll see what I can do. Hello and congratulations to Violet, who back on the 13th of October became a big sister. Oh, what a lovely thing, Violet. I hope you love being a big sister and you managed to teach your little bro or sis lots about the world. And maybe get them into some yoga. Big love to you. A lovely hello to Ruth, Nellie and Lily in the US who love Cosmic Kids because it gets them moving. And that feels good. Yes, it does. Lily loves the Beauty and the Beast episode. Nellie loves My Little Pony. And Rue loves Harry Potter. All three love the Super Yogas and the Nama stories, which I am so delighted to hear. A big love-filled namaste to all three of you. And keep on playing that yoga and teaching each other the stories. That's such a wonderful game. Finally, hello to Viviana, who tells me her school uses the Cosmic Kids videos for PE. Does anyone else do that? If so, I am very glad, and you must say a big hi and thanks to your teachers from me. Viviana wanted to say thanks for helping her make sense of yoga, which I am really very happy to hear. And she thinks our little dogs are very cute. Yes, Minnie and Spence, they're very adorable. Thanks, Viviana. Thanks for all of your messages. Keep watching our yoga clubs as I will read out your message. And if you want a shout out, all you do is email me at yogaclub@cosmickids.com or ping us a message on Insta or Facebook or Twitter. Don't forget, you can dive into more of the Cosmic Kids universe on the Cosmic Kids app by going to app.cosmickids.com or finding us on the App Store or Google Play Store. It's time to get the post-school wriggles out. I'll see you in the yoga. Super Yoga!
Door pose. Hot air balloon pose. Tree pose. Binoculars. Sharp pose. Look out, it's the disco cat! Snake pose. Mermaid pose. Ooh la la. Starfish pose. Rowing pose. Telephone pose.
Ten, nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Cosmic Kids Yoga Pose Universe. Pigeon pose. Coming down to sit on our bottoms with our legs crossed. Now we take this front leg, stretch it forwards, sweep it all the way around the side to pop out long at the back, keeping this front leg at a nice diagonal line. Now using your fingers like tents, roll your shoulders back and puff up your chest like you're a proud pigeon, going coo, coo, coo. Better not do it too loudly, or the pigeons will hear and maybe come and land on our heads. Oh, good. Okay, so pigeon pose is really good for opening our hips and stretching our legs. It's also really good if you do a lot of cycling or running, because it helps release those lovely tight muscles. Let's try it on the other side. Sweeping that back leg all the way back forwards again and switching the cross on your legs, bringing the other one in front. Yes. Now we're going to take that one forward, take it round the side to the back, and as long as it can be out the back, with this one at the diagonal line again. Up on our fingers, roll our shoulders back, puffing up our chests, going coo, coo. Yes, exactly. I'm right with you on that. Pigeon pose. Snake pose. Coming to lie on our tummies. We point our toes back behind us, our hands underneath our shoulders. We roll our shoulders back and we wiggle up like we're hissy snakes. Ready? Snake pose is a winner for strengthening our backs and opening our chests. It's a really lovely pose. Oh, hello. We're doing snake pose. You can join in if you like. Right, coming all the way down, we'll do it together. Putting your hands underneath... Oh, sorry, you haven't got any hands. You're a snake.
Well, you can maybe show us how to do some good wiggling up. Yes? Here we go. Wiggling all the way up.
Snake pose. Today we have a funny little song to learn and sing together called the Little Green Frog Song. It's quite a funny song because you have to pull lots of silly faces, but it's really good for waking up all the muscles in your face. We'll break it down, so I'll sing a chunk and then you sing it back. Here we go. Went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. Now together. Went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. Great, let's move on to the next bit. Went the little green frog one day, and they all went ah. That little bit. Went the little green frog one day, and they all went ah. Great, now the next bit. But we all know frogs go la da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. Let's do that bit together. Ready? We all know frogs go la da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. And the last bit. We all know frogs go la da 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 da. They don't go ah. Let's do that last bit together. We all know frogs go la da 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 da. They don't go ah. Great. Now we need to put the whole thing together. Let's try. Here we go. Went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. Went the little green frog one day, and they all went ah. But we all know frogs go la da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. We all know frogs go la da 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 da. They don't go ah. Now I wonder if we can sing this a little bit faster. What do you think? Shall we have a go? Ooh, okay, everyone. Muscles working. Let's go. Went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. Went the little green frog one day, and they all went ah. But we all know frogs go la da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. We all know frogs go la da 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 da. They don't go ah. Right. What do you say? A little bit faster? Yeah? Okay. This is about as fast as it can be. Do your best, try and practice, and we'll get there. Here we go. Went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. Went the little green frog one day, and they all went ah. But we all know frogs go la da da, la da da, la da da. We all know frogs go la da da. They don't go ah. Yay! Well done, everyone. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out. Time out. Hello, Jaime here. Welcome to Peace Out. This is a quick practice you can do anytime to help yourself feel really good. Firstly, wherever you are, whether sitting or lying down, get comfortable. If you are sitting, make your back nice and long. If you are lying down, get settled, so you are happy to be still. Now you're in position. Gently close your eyes. Well done. To start, let's look at what's happening right now in your mind. I'll ask you some questions. All you have to do is think your answers. What thoughts can you see in your mind right now? What are you thinking? Remember, thoughts are like bubbles. They pop up and then float away or burst. Look at them, just noticing them. Ah, there's a thought. And another. Next question. What feelings are here for you now? Have a good look at them. Even if they are hard feelings that don't feel very nice. Just look at them, not changing them. They are all allowed. Now see if you can notice your body. Imagine you are shining a torch all over the different areas, having a good look. Is there anywhere in particular that you can spot? Can you notice any tightness or holding? No need to change it. Just look at it. Now you are going to be a Zen ninja and use laser-sharp focus. First, feel your breathing. Your tummy lifting and lowering with each breath. Keep your ninja laser on your breathing. Feel it coming in and going out. Each and every breath. See it. Watch it. Follow it. If your brain decides to wander back to those thoughts, spot it, like all Zen ninja warriors do, and come back to your focus, your breathing, in and out, in and out. Well done. You're doing a great job. See if you can imagine that your breath has made a big warm sunshine light up inside you, right in your middle. See if you can make the warmth spread through your whole body, like you are sending the sunshine down your arms to your fingertips, down your legs to your toes, up into your head and around your face, like you are filling yourself up with goodness. Now see if you can beam that warmth and sunshine further out, filling the whole room you are in, the building, street, town and country you are in, the whole world and universe. Like you are making all this sunshine grow, sending so much light and warmth. By making all this goodness and sharing it like this, means everything will be fine. Slowly open your eyes and look around. Here you are, beautiful, brilliant you, ready for whatever's next, with a clear mind and a strong heart. Well done for helping yourself come back to being the best you can be. This is Jaime, saying peace out.